band. I want you guys to be here. We're ending the legs day with a really loud horn music, brass music, loud guitars, loud drums, and powerful vocals ni Roda. Bitaw, this is so meaningful to me kay ako gikan pa ko sa orchestra before I get into gikan yung orchestra before ko niya to rock band or rock band. And then I met these guys sa Southern Richan. Naman ako years na being with those guys. These guys really awesome. They're fun to be with. Kanisa nakita sa nila mga best friend. Joke lang. Ito, halos kalit lahat ang ating gantay ka naman. Mga single status ba? So, we're down to the next band. Okay, I'm good, Kesa. And I would like to say cheers everyone. Thick or thin, ups or downs, I'm so happy. You know, shit. Okay, anyway, thank you guys. Cheers for 10 years plug and play. Yeah, 10 fucking years. Alright, everyone, please give it up for Southern Richan! Hindi azul.